Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question that I get asked all the time. Is there a free Smartsheet account? The short answer is yes, there is a free Smartsheet account. However, there are some limitations to the free account. In this video, I'm going to go over the pros and cons of using a free Smartsheet account, as well as how to get started with one. Pros of using a free Smartsheet account. Easy to get started. You can create a free account in just a few minutes. No credit card required. You don't need to provide any payment information to create a free account. Up to 3 users. You can add up to 3 users to your free account. Up to 25 sheets. You can create up to 25 sheets in your free account. Up to 100 megabytes of storage. You can store up to 100 megabytes of data in your free account. Access to basic features. You can use most of Smartsheet's basic features, including creating sheets, adding rows and columns, and applying formulas. Cons of using a free Smartsheet account. Limited features. You won't have access to all of Smartsheet's advanced features, such as automation, reporting, and integrations. Limited storage. You can only store up to 100 megabytes of data in your free account. This may not be enough for some users. Limited users. You can only add up to 3 users to your free account. This may not be enough for teams or organizations. No customer support. You won't have access to dedicated customer support if you have any problems with your free account. How to get started with a free Smartsheet account. If you're interested in trying out Smartsheet for free, here's how to get started. Go to the Smartsheet website and click on the Start Your Free Trial button. Enter your name, email address, and company name. Click on the Create My Account button. Once your account is created, you'll be redirected to the Smartsheet dashboard. From here, you can create new sheets, add rows and columns, and apply formulas. Should you use a free Smartsheet account? Whether or not you should use a free Smartsheet account depends on your needs. If you're just looking for a basic tool to track your tasks and projects, then a free account may be all you need. However, if you need more advanced features or more storage space, then you may want to consider upgrading to a paid plan. There is a free Smartsheet account, but it has some limitations. If you're looking for a simple and easy-to-use tool to track your tasks and projects, then a free Smartsheet account may be a good option for you. However, if you need more advanced features or more storage space, then you may want to consider upgrading to a paid plan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.